I'm Dr. Sharad, cardiologist, consultant cardiologist in Olive Hospital. So we are launching our cardiac cath lab in Olive Hospital. So this is the latest Siemens Artis G technology cath lab with modern facilities like IC stent technology and DSA technology. So in this cath lab, we are going to do all cardiac procedures and peripheral procedures and procedures related to brain and procedure related to abdomen and pediatric cardiology procedures and interventional radiology procedures like embolizations. And with this new technology of in this cath lab, so we can increase the quality of angioplasty. We can get a good result with angioplasty with this cardiac cath lab, and we can do all procedures, especially peripheral procedures, with very low contrast usage with this DSA technology available in this. The contrast itself can cause certain adverse effects on body, the one which we use in these procedures. And we are going to minimize the contrast usage in this cath lab by using this DSA technology. So we are going to minimize the adverse effects on the patient. We are going to minimize post-procedure complications in this lab. We are doing all elective procedures in cardiology like angioplasty, valvotomy, and device closures, and alcohol septal ablations, and we are planning even emergency primary angioplasties, that is as soon as the patient comes to hospital with chest pain, and once you diagnose that patient is having a cardiac heart attack, so immediately we'll bring the patient to cath lab and we'll do angiogram, and immediately we'll open the blood vessel which is occluded and because of which patient is suffering with heart attack. So that is known as primary angioplasty. So the primary angioplasty indicates the preparedness of hospital towards patient care. So the hospital having a facility of primary angioplasty means so it should be very well prepared for any emergency in hospital. Okay. So we are having this facility is already available in some of the hospitals, but in this area I think this is the first hospital having this cath lab facility. Special features is, I told you, IC stent technology is one feature, so which increases the quality of angioplasty, and second is DSA is one feature which reduces the contrast usage during procedure, reducing post-procedure complications.